Welcome to the School of Worldcraft and Worldmancy. This is Feedback Frenzy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another WriterGreg School of Worldcraft and Worldmancy Submit Saturday highlight. Here we are reviewing either 1,500 words of fiction or world-building articles that you can submit at wgc.bz/submit. And here we have another article from James in a new world, it looks like. Academia, James Woodwright, University and Organization. All right, looks like a pretty straightforward article. Let's go ahead and dig in and see where this takes us. While called a university for those in the organization, a college by those who were suspended or left it, and having elements of a university, it is technically neither a university nor a college. First, its members are initiated into a department as novices and climb the ranks of the guild. These ranks are novice, apprentice, master, and doctor, with the doctor rank being the most limited in number. The elements it has are that its members can study, but are also producing items that are bought by the residents of, insert place name here, or by others which are traded. The organization provides bed and board, which is welcomed by those who are not as well off as other members. Membership in this organization is often lifelong. Location: the university is located in the center of, name.
Sprinters break, marchers continue.
When a member has been suspended, their rights to materials and equipment are also limited. Their access to their accommodations is also suspended. To be readmitted at the rank they were, they need to pay a sum of money. For those not well off, the members will find themselves getting a job just to pay off the sum, begging or worse. For those not well off, the members will find themselves getting, On some rare occasion, the members can be misled into a deal in which the recipient wants something made. That something requires alchemy, but is forbidden to be made, such as a trinket that is marked as a thing that can give the wearer or bearer something when it doesn't. Desperate, the member may go with the deal to get the sum of money. This, however, can be found out and results in them being resuspended. A famous song that has been sung when they are in need of money is, "Give us money, I really, really want your money, and if you give us money, I will give it to the college, and I'll be reinstated right away, right away." Okay. All right, interesting. Usually with an article, when I read an article like this, I would like to know more about what the content of it. When we have an article here like university, the first thing that you do in the introduction paragraph is explaining how it's not a university. You say it's called a university by some, and it's called a college by others, but it's not either of those things. Okay? So what I would recommend for the beginning of this article is to rephrase this in the positive sense, meaning, what is this that we're talking about? It seems to me that you use the term guild, where you have novice, apprentice, master, and doctor. And so if you say University of Town, name, and you say this informal university is a guild of craftsmen, then you say, oh, this university is called a guild, and then you can explain, why is it called a university or a college and not a guild? And then you can explain a little bit more about why. Well, if it's a guild, why aren't you calling it a guild? If you can understand what I'm saying with that. The members of the department, that could be moved to another section. where you could talk about the guild membership and have a section for each of the 4. What does it take to become a novice? What does it take to become an apprentice, master, and doctor? And you could go through those 4 different sections and fill that information out. The location, yeah, you'll need to find a place to put it, whether it be in a real world or fantastical world. Now, you have this great chapter here on suspension. Well, what's the opposite? Admission. How does one get into the university or the guild? What kind of students do they accept? What courses are being taught? For something to be called a college, they have to teach a lot of courses. For something to be called a university, they have to have a lot of colleges. So maybe this could be a place when you're talking about curriculum being taught. You have that opportunity to explain or justify why they call themselves a university, because they teach so many courses, they produce so many articles. Fantastical. I need beans. Okay, it's in a fantastical world. Awesome. The suspension, a little confused, because you are explaining what they do when they're suspended, not how they got suspended. To make a map, not to eat. Okay. So when a member has been suspended, their rights, materials, and equipment are also limited. Okay, so that's a good explanation of what happens after suspension or how to get readmitted.
Sprinters, on your mark. Get set. Go.
But I would like to know more about what kind of activities would cause them to be suspended, such as plagiarism, poor craftsmanship. Not sure. But that would be a great thing that you could fill in with that. A famous song? You have a YouTube song. And there's a link. I'm not going to click that link. Oh, Author Goddess, you're right. Ethical violations is also an important thing that for which a person could be kicked out of a university. Whether those ethical violations be academic or social morals, you could go into a lot of variations. You could go into a lot of descriptions. You can explain things in a PG way without being not PG, if you know what I mean. Related traditions, ceremony of a doctorate, Dr. Alchemist. The video is PG. Well, you're right. The video might be PG, but it may be copyrighted. And if I want to put this video on YouTube, then I would be concerned about a copyright strike for using somebody else's music within the video. So I can watch that later after this video is recorded, after the stream is over. I just don't want to watch that now because of the potential of having a strike on a future YouTube video. So, well, thank you so much, James, for sharing this article with us. A lot of great potential that you have here. Hopefully my questions will help you as you work on the next draft of this article. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here and participating and viewing this Submit Saturday. If you would like to have your article included, please visit wgc.bz/submit for a link to the Google Doc where you can submit your content for a future video. Thank you so much. Have a great day and keep on writing.
Thanks for watching this Feedback Frenzy. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. WriterGreg offers coaching sessions to help bring your world to life, create compelling stories, and accomplish your creative goals. Please visit wgc.bz/coaching for more details.